Today we're looking at an LMC 641 gravity table density separator. This unit has both decks, the small grains and large grains deck. They're in good shape overall. We have the air diffuser here, the aluminum air diffuser. You can pause the video here for pertinent data on the serial tag. This unit is unique in the fact that it is set up on single phase electric input. This unit has a 10 horsepower single phase 220 volt motor and a 115 volt digital readout for the speed. This unit is dusty and dirty. We just removed it literally today and brought it back to the warehouse. Otherwise, this machine looks to be in good shape overall. I'm sure it will need its standard tune-up. I see a couple of rips in the bellows here. That's pretty typical. Those can either be patched or put in new. It is an easy install on that. Nothing to hide with this unit. Just wanted to get it out into the marketplace for our customers. Like I said, it is dusty and dirty. It was last used in soybeans. Good old machine. The unit was anchored well, so I don't see any breakage on the unit. Has these nice elevated, approximately 6-inch foot pads that were added to the unit to elevate it slightly. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. This unit can service a wide variety of fields such as recycling, seed and grain processing, and any density separation processes that are needed. Thank you so much for watching.